Hi all, welcome back. Once we are done with unshift method, it's time to learn shift method. So let's begin. Firstly, shift method removes item at the beginning of the list. So whenever you want to remove the node present at the head, at that time we are making use of shift method. How it actually works, let's understand that with pseudocode. So here we will firstly check if length is equal to 0. At that time, we will simply return undefined as there is nothing to be removed. But if length is equal to 1, at that time we will set head and tail to be null. So if length is 1, we want to emptify our list. And how we can emptify? By setting head and tail to be null as there is only one item. Then in the else part, we will hold head node in the variable called as old head, and then we will set head property to the head.next. So here we have our head node as 2, then 45, 3 and 1. Suppose I want to remove 2. At that time, firstly what I will do, I will simply set this dot head is equal to this dot head dot next. So what will happen? Now my head will change from 2 to 45. Once that is done, we will set head dot previous as null. So we will break this 45 connection to the 2. Okay. So for that I will do this dot head dot previous is equal to null. Once that is done, we will set old head dot next as null because we want to break the connection of 2 with 45 also. So we will simply write old head dot next is equal to null. So both the way the connection will be broken. Once the connection will be broken, actually we have performed shift method. So we will simply decrement length by 1 and then we will return a linked list or removed node. But in our case, we will try to return removed node. So with this, our pseudocode is complete. Let's code in our Visual Studio now. Here, we will create our shift method. Inside that, as per our pseudocode, it is saying if length is equal to 0, return undefined. So we will simply check if this dot length is equal to 0. So we will return undefined. Undefined. In the second part, it is saying if length is equal to 1, set head and tail to be null. So else if this dot length is equal to 1, so at that time we will simply do this dot head is equal to null and this dot tail is equal to null. After that, in the else part, it is saying hold head node in the variable called old head. Then comes to the else part. Here we will simply do let old head is equal to this dot head. After that, it is saying set head property to the head dot next. So we will write this dot head is equal to this dot head dot next. After that, it is saying set head dot previous as null. So we will write this dot head dot previous is equal to null. After that, it is saying set old head dot next as null. So we will simply do old head dot next is equal to null. So both the way connection is broken now. Once that is done, we will decrement length by 1 and then we will return a removed node. So we will simply decrement the length, this dot length minus minus, then we will return old head. But this old head is declared with let keyword, so it will not be accessible outside the else block. So we will declare it with where keyword so that it will be accessible. Once that is done, our shift method is ready. So we will simply call our shift method now. We already have 3 items, 1, 2 and 3. Just write doubly linked list dot shift. Inside that, nothing will be passed, and to see things on my console window, I will wrap up this thing inside console.log. Let's go to the browser now. Here we are able to see value 1 is removed as we are returning removed node. Suppose if I am returning our this, then what's happening? Here we are getting length is equal to 2. That means our doubly linked list item is removed. And here our head is 2, not 1. That means our head with value 1 is removed. But here there will be one issue. Suppose I have only one item in my doubly linked list and I want to remove that using shift method. So in the browser, now it is showing me length 0 and all other things are perfectly alright. But suppose in place of this, I want to return my old head. So it is returning undefined, which is totally not correct. We want our 1 should be here. So for that, what we can do, we can store our old head is equal to this dot head in the beginning itself. So we will cut it from here and we will paste it here. So even if it will go inside else if part or else part, our old head will always be stored. So now we are able to get value 1, the head node which is removed. That is totally correct. With this, we will sum up our this video tutorial. And my friends, please follow my complete playlist for data structure and algorithms. Thank you very much for now.